Hello children, time for your computer class. Today's topic is chapter number 2, the software. So let's begin. Chapter 2, computer software. First topic is hardware. The physical components of the computer are known as its hardware. That is, the parts of the computer that we can touch are called hardware. That means with respect to the computer, any hard part is known as the hardware. Let's see some examples of hardware. Input devices, storage devices, processor, output devices. Now see some examples of input devices. Keyboard, it is a hardware. Mouse, scanner, light pen. So all these are the hardware parts. Processing device, CPU is known as the processing device. So whatever you see, know as the CPU, that is the CPU cabinet or the CPU box. Inside the motherboard, this CPU is mounted or placed. Okay, this is the processor. Next, all storage devices like pen drive, DVD, hard disk, these are also the hardware parts of a computer. Output devices, monitor, printer, speakers, these are also the hardware part because we can touch them. Software, set of programs are known as software. Then what is a program? Set of instructions that tells the computer how to perform a specific task. The instruction that is given to the computer are known as the program, and set of programs are known as the software. There are two types of software, system software and application software. System software. System software manages the overall activities of a computer system. It is like the manager of a computer system. The main function of system software is to prepare the computer for us to work and run application software. Now, how the computer runs? It is because of the system software the computer runs. And what is the example of system software? Operating system is the example of system software which runs other application software. Example of system software, operating system. And what are the examples of operating system? Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. These are the operating systems. Application software. Application software helps us to perform a specific type of job. So, system software controls the entire system and application software is responsible for performing a specific type of job. Like we are having Paint software. It is used to draw and color in Paint. Windows Media Player. This is a software which is designed to play movies and songs. Like that, many other softwares are there. MS Word 2016. MS Word is used for typing letters, applications, articles and essays. MS PowerPoint. It is used for creating presentations. Slideshow can be created using PowerPoint. This is also a kind of application software. Adobe Photoshop is used for creating and editing photos and design. So with the help of Adobe Photoshop, you can create and edit photos and designs. So these are some of the examples of application software. Now see, this is MS Paint. Now with the help of Paint, you can draw some shapes like this. These are the tools. Any tool you can bring and you can draw. You can color also. You can color also. Anything, stars. You can save it. So I am saving with the name PP. Save. Let me save it on the desktop. Save. Okay. Now see. This is an application software. So I did my work in the application software, that is with the help of Paint. See. So that's all for today, dear children. Hope you have enjoyed the class, and one thing, you should read the chapter thoroughly, and as well as you will watch this video. Okay, thank you. Bye.